Moving off and stopping safely are both skills which learner drivers learn very early on in their driving lessons. Although it's a skill that you'll soon get the hang of, knowing the right procedure is important as you will be tested on your ability to move off and stop safely in your driving test. Learning how to move off and stop safely isn't just a case of being able to move and stop the car. You need to make sure you do so in a safe and controlled manner, whilst making the correct checks. Moving off and stopping are two of the first things your driving instructor will teach you. Learning how to move off and stop safely might sound complicated, but once you get the hang of how to safely complete both, doing so will become second nature. That's why it is important to first learn how to move off and to stop. The rest is all in between, changing gears, controlling the car etc. Once you know how to properly move off and to stop, everything is easier. Stopping the car in a safe, convenient and legal position. This means the driving examiner in your test will be looking for you to not only be able to control the car, but that they will also be making sure you can recognize where a safe, convenient and legal place to stop is. Driving off or moving off in a car safely and using the correct technique takes some practice to master and can often take many hours into your driving course before you become reasonably confident. Whether you are a learner driver or an experienced driver wishing to take the driving test, driving off from a stationary position is a technique that must be done correctly, each and every time. Thank you for watching. Until next time, remember, practice makes perfect.